How to log into your nationwide credit card account online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on logging into your nationwide credit card account online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any web browser on your mobile device or your computer and go to nationwidebank.com. After that, click on the sign in option and choose your bank account type. And if you haven't created an account yet, select the register option. Fill in your first name, your last name, date of birth, your social security number, and create a username and also set a password. Remember that your password must contain one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one symbol, and one number. It must be at least 8 characters long. And after you input all the necessary information correctly, simply click on the next option that is highlighted in orange color and follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary details for your account creation. Once your account is set up, click on the login option, which is just beside the register. Click on it, and after you do that, simply enter the correct form of your user ID and your password in the designated area. And in the case if you have forgotten your details, you can simply go ahead and click on the forgot username or the password link in order to simply retry or reset your username and the password both. And after you have entered all the information correctly, simply click on the login option that is highlighted in orange color in order to successfully log into your account. And if you encounter any difficulties, utilize the chat with the Evo feature, which is a digital assistant. And upon successful login, navigate to the credit card section to view all of the relevant information. So that sums up the login process. For more queries and clarifications, feel free to comment down below. And also remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.